Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, today we will learn about bold, italic, underline, font color and fill color. So do you want to make your Excel look sharp in seconds? Let's style it with some font tools. So I have these headings and I want to make them bold. So I will select them and I can click this B icon here under the home tab, or I can press Ctrl B as well. So let's press this button here and it will convert this text into bold. Then I want to make it italic, which will select the text. I can use this I icon or I can press Ctrl to the side. Let's press Ctrl to the side to make it a little bit slant, and then we can underline this text. So this will add a line under your text. You can use the U button or you can press Ctrl plus U. Let's use this button and make an underline under our text. So it will put underline like this, and then we can change font color as well by clicking here. So we can go here and select the color, which one we want. So let's select the green color. Now we have fill color here as well. So we can select this and select the color we want to fill in. Let's select this color here, and then we can increase the size, and by using this button we can decrease the font size, or even we can decrease the size or increase the size from here as well. And then we have this bar, which is font style. So we can select any style we want. Let's select this style. So here you can see we selected a style. This is a font group bar. Hopefully you understand everything about font and how to change it and how does it work. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. So guys, let's learn about paste option in Excel. Do you always think paste, just paste? No, not in Excel. It's got superpower. So let's learn about Excel paste option. So let's select this data and I want to copy it. So I can copy it by right clicking or pressing Ctrl C, and then when I come here I can just paste this, or I can go to paste option here and then select simple paste. So this is just a simple paste. It will paste what you have copied. So let's do this. So I pasted the simple data here. Okay, let's delete this, and now let's copy this value here. And now so we can paste formulas now. So we have these values and I want to paste the formula, the one I have here. So I will select the cell and then go over here and then paste the formula. So as you can see here, it pasted the formula only. It didn't paste the formatting of the currency because I have a pound sign here, but it doesn't have a pound sign here because it only pasted the formula, not the formatting. So let's delete this again, and now copy this and let's paste formula and number formatting. So you see the difference now. It pasted the number formatting as well. Before it only pasted the formula, so there was no pound sign, but we have a pound sign here now. So hopefully you learned about formulas and number formatting. Next one we have source formatting one. So let's copy this, and then so if we use this, it will paste all the formatting as well, like the font style, underline, and the color as well. Let's add border to this cell. So we have a border to this cell now, as you can see. Now when we copy this and we want to paste it here, then we can use this paste option to copy paste it without the borders. As you can see here, this one have border and this one doesn't have border. Let's copy this again and go to paste option. Next one we have keep the source column width. So let's copy this one because this one is a bit wider column. So copy this and paste it here by using this column. As you can see here, it increased the column width. And then we have transpose. So for example, we selected this data, we copied it, and when we paste it, we can select the transpose option and it will convert all the columns into row and the rows into column. So hopefully you understand today's video and learned about different paste options. In next video, we will learn about paste value option. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about paste value options. To learn this, let's copy this data. You can copy it by right clicking and then copy, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus C to copy this. Now we can paste this data here. Let's explore the paste value options. So the first option in the paste value is values only. This will put all the values we have in the data where we copy from, or the source data. Let's use this. Now here you can see it copy all the values. It only copy the values. It didn't copy any number formatting or anything else. Now undo this and let's try again. Now here we can paste it in by using this option, values and number formatting. Now you note the difference. For the values and the number formatting, before we didn't have the pound sign here, but now we have the pound sign here. Now undo this again and now try with this option. This is value and source formatting. So this will paste everything, values and source formatting. This will paste everything. Let's choose this. Now here you can say it put all the formatting, including the headers and the number formatting, including the pound sign. It copied everything we wanted. So hopefully you understand paste value options today. If you like this video, follow along Excel series. You can find all Excel videos in my collections. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. So today we will learn about some Excel paste options. To do this, we need to copy some data so we can learn about paste options. So let's copy this data by selecting it, and you can copy this data by right click and copy from here, or you can press Ctrl C as well to copy the data. Now for example, we want to copy this data here, then select the cell and go to paste option. And here we have some other paste options. So here we can select this. This will copy all the formatting of the source data. So let's click on this. Now here you can see it copied all the formatting we have here. Now undo this. Now we want to paste link. So what is it? So this will paste the data and to link it with the source data. Let's try this. So for example, I pasted this data by using the link. So then when anything change here, for example, let's put IT1 and press enter. Now here you notice it changed here as well. So they are linked to each other. If something change here, now see here, there is only HR. But if something changes here, for example, HR1 and press enter, now you can see HR1 is changed here as well. And let's remove this number 1 and see what happens. Now here you can see it's changed here as well. So it's very good option when you copy data and you paste it somewhere but you want it to link with the previous data, then this option is great. Now undo this. Now let's use this option. So this will paste the source data as a picture. Now I use this option. Now this is not a data. I cannot click on it. This is just a picture. You can move it any way you want. So this is not written in cell. This is a picture. You can see a sign here. This is a picture. So this is another option if you want to put a picture in your spreadsheet. Now let's undo this. And now we have linked picture. So what this will do, this is still a picture, but this is linked to this data. So let's change something here. Let's put 1 here and press enter. As you can see here, it changed here. We cannot change anything here, but we can, if we change anything here, it will appear here. So let's go back and remove the 1 and press enter. Now here you can see 1 is removed. So anything change here because this is a linked picture, so it will affect this as well. I find these options very useful, and these options will save you from using formulas. It's everything automated for you. So hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. And if you want to follow Excel series, you can find the whole Excel series in my collection. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about paste special options. In my previous videos, I have told you about the paste values and other paste options. Today we will learn about paste special options. To do this, we need to copy this data, and to copy this data, we need to select it, and then we can copy this by pressing Ctrl C or right clicking and then copy it from here. Now, for example, we want to paste this data here, and we need to select this cell and then go to paste option, as we already talked about all these options, including paste value, paste, and other paste options. Today we will learn about paste special. So what are paste special options? In this, you can use different combinations of paste and operations, and even you have skip blanks and transpose option here. So for example, I want to paste all using source theme. For example, I want to paste everything using source theme, and I want transpose as well. So I can also add, subtract, or multiply, divide, but for now I will select none and then select OK. Now as you can see here, it converted everything, columns into rows and rows into columns. So for example, you can see here now everything is in transpose now. So we have rows into columns now and columns into rows now. So hopefully you understand what are paste special options. You can try different combination and see what they do. If you like this video, press the like button, follow along Excel series. You can find all videos related to Excel series in Techie's channel favorite collections. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Does your text look boring? Let's fix that with better fonts and right size. So let's fix the headers first. Let's select them all together and then under the home tab, and we can make them bold because header look more nice when they're bold. And then we can select font. You have different types of font, but the most suitable and most readable font I found is Arial Black. So I will use this one. And then here you can select the font size. So for the headers, size from 14 to 16 is better and your data will look more readable. So let's select 14 size, and then we can put color fill as well. So let's select light blue color. Now let's adjust the column widths. So we have selected the data. We can double click here and adjust the column widths, and then we can align them. We can top align or middle align. They're already aligned bottom align. So we will do middle align, or we can put them in the center. That's better. Now what we can do is we can even put the borders here. We can put all borders here, and now we have this data. For the numbers, we can select the currency here, and then from these we can change the decimal point. So we can decrease the decimal point. It will look better now. And now for this data, I think the font size is perfect, and then we have different fonts as well. So I think the font selected by default is perfect for this. We can do color fill here as well, putting your favorite colors or your brand colors, and we can also put the borders, but it's already selected here now, so just click it and it added all the borders. So hopefully you learned that how to make your data look nicer and more professional by just using simple steps. Hopefully you liked today's video. Press the like button and follow along Excel series. You can find all videos related to Excel in Techie's favorite collections. Thank you for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. You want your spreadsheet to look clean and professional. Let's talk about borders. So to do this, you need to select your data where you want to add borders and then go to Home tab, and then here you have borders. So you have some presets options like bottom border, top border, no borders, or all borders, or take outside borders, and you have some different options here. And then here you also have options for more borders. Here you can create your own borders. For example, I just want to select this style here, then I want to select outline border, or if I just want inside border like this, I can select outline border or inside border as well. And then here in the color, I can select the color I want. For example, let's select this dark blue color, and there's other more options as well like fill, protection, etc. But for now we will use this simple option and then select OK. Now here you can see it added the border. So you can select how you want the border to be, how you want the outline, what color outline you want, so you can create your own borders as well. You can use full border to separate each cell in the spreadsheet. You can use thick outside border to highlight, total, or summarize. And borders are not just for looks, they help you guide the viewers' eye to key data. Hopefully you like today's video, that where you can find different options for your borders. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about alignment tools, which include center, left, right, up, middle, and bottom. So is your text stuck to the top or to the side? Let me show you how to align your text like a pro. Your data will look more professional and more clean. So to do this, you need to select your data and then go to Home tab, and here you have alignment group. First we have left align. This is default, so this will put your text to the left. If we click this, it will align all the data to the left. And then we have center. This will center your content. If we click this, it will center our content. And then we have right align. This will align your content to the right. And then we have some vertical alignment tools here. For example, we have top align. This will align your text to the top. And then we have middle align. This will align your text to the middle. And then we have bottom align. This will align your text to the bottom. So the perfect combination that will look professional and clean is middle and the center. Alignment is very important for your data to look clean and professional. So this is the perfect combination for your data to look clean and professional. Center, and middle, center and middle. So hopefully you have learned about some alignment tools today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow along Excel series. You can find all the videos related to Excel in Tech Key's favorite collections. Thanks for watching this video.